Hey everybody, it's Ryan. I'm going to be giving you a very detailed overview, because I'm excited about it, of these landscape floodlights and why these just might be some of the nicest floodlights I've ever seen. And I'm just here to keep it real. First and foremost, when I put this into my hands and I felt the weight of the construction of this, I knew I was in for a treat. And, shout outs to the company on this. This is, I don't know if this is like a steel or something, but these look to be powder coated. This just happens to be like a bronze, dark brown, oil rub bronze type dark, not quite black, very close to it. And then you have this ground spike where it goes in. This bolts in, so this screws in, this whole piece screws in. And then you have 6 feet of 12-volt landscape, low voltage cable to connect to. You also have this is 3 layers deep of waterproofing. I'm just sharing in a sec what I'm talking about that. Even the light bulb inside is wrapped in rubber. I've never seen anything like this before. From a mounting and adjusting to get your perfect pitch, you have a screw right here, and then you can hear it. There's a gear assembly in there, so it's not going to slip. So once it's in, there's like teeth. I don't know if you can kind of see that, but it's like locked in. That's always a plus, especially if you're going to go through the effort of installing something, and then over time it starts to droop, and it's just a big old pain. So you get this right here. It comes with 2 landscape light screw nuts. These are the ones that have the gel inside for waterproofing. Nice little touch. This is the ground spike I was talking about. You can see this is threaded. And from a convenience standpoint, when you install this into this, it slips through this sleeve right here. So it twists on very easily. You just put it in here and twist it on. There's also a tightening nut right here to make sure that thing is locked on and is not moving. It does come with, like I said, I've never ever seen one of these before. This is wrapped in a rubber coating. It's like sealed, waterproof rubber coating. I can only imagine if this was completely submerged, it would work just fine. I'm not saying that's what you should do, but very cool. And then the reason this is such good quality is you can use a screwdriver. I think these are just loose enough to where I can loosen them up. But the quality on this, so this is all metal. This is none of this is plastic, which was a nice surprise. So you have your top housing right here, and it has this lip right here, so you're not getting any additional, they call it, light washing. You can kind of really direct the light where you want. Then you have this rubber sealed glass piece, and that's either real glass, I don't know, or it's very hard acrylic. Then you have your device here, and it's completely, so you're sealed in by this cover, and then you also have a 100% watertight actual light fixture. Now, a nice little touch when it comes to installing is that the wires have already been stripped here. So you literally just kind of pull it apart with your fingers, get it to where you want, pull the ends off. So here's what those lights look like. Here's 1. Here's 2, 3, and this just happened to be, as I mentioned, a 4-pack. And so these can be used to illuminate a home or a driveway or wherever. So from a brightness standpoint, these things are pretty bright, and with the option of adjusting where you want the light to project, you have that option. That's what these are. We got 1, 2, 3, and 4. I can just say, from my personal opinion, these things are fantastic because they are durable, waterproof. The mounts go on the ground, are very sturdy. and I have no complaints. Hopefully that helps. Now, full disclosure, this company did reach out to me and asked me to do a full detailed review and overview on these. And I think the reason is just because it's hard to get a full appreciation for how nice these landscape lights are, but in no way whatsoever with it being provided to me affect this review, because I'm just here to keep it real.